Would it be bad news if you lost that great photo, video, important file, or your whole computer died? Syncovery is the Swiss Army knife of the backup and sync world, allowing you to easily set up repeatable sets of backups, called profiles, that you can run either manually whenever you want to run them, or also schedule one or more profiles so you don't forget to back up those important files. Syncovery can back up and sync from practically anywhere to anywhere, such as your hard drive, to an external hard drive, a thumb drive, as well as to the cloud, which is any place outside of your home or business, such as Google Drive, Amazon, Dropbox, DigitalOcean Droplet, or other virtual private server. You can start simple and go to extremely detailed control by fine-tuning your profiles, and even beyond that for extremely unique cases by running Pascal scripts, which you can either run yourself or have created, usually for free, by Syncovery's programmer, Tobias. Be sure to visit me at fredstipsandtricks.com, where I provide how-to and tutorial videos and blogs to help you get Syncovery and other things running, give you tons of practical tips, right from backups and syncs that I personally create and use to other things. And you can save big money on your purchase of Syncovery by clicking the purchase button on my site. Practically your friend, Fred.